Sinabi naman nito kay Lee Hyun, ibalik mo muna sa akin yan. Tapos ay sinunog ni Lee Hyun ng notebook at ito ang nangyari.
Bring the fight to the screen, no pause. We kept the legends of breaking the laws. Clothes in the city, high and low cause. You know the name. From the streets to the game, war stories collide. Tag along voice with that power worldwide. Legends of the screen, I bring them alive. The sound survives.
Kasabay nito, kasalukuyang gumagala ang vice principal kasama ang inspektor. Nakita ng inspektor na itinatabi ni Miss Lihan ang mga basura